and it feels so good. Hey guys, welcome to Kirbie Tries. So you might notice that I'm doing something a little different today. I have on no makeup. You guys have seen me without makeup before, but you'll find out why later. Instead of doing the regular try something blindly and then give a verdict on whether or not I like it, I actually want to recommend a product to you that I truly do like. I've been using it for a while now, and because I get so many questions about skincare this time of year, I figured this was the best time now more than ever to talk about it. So today I'm actually reviewing Olay Whip. This is a brand new moisturizer from Olay, and if you've messaged me on Facebook, you know that if you ask me for a moisturizer that is potent, that works, and won't break the bank, I always suggest Olay. Order on Amazon, get Olay. It's super lightweight and airy. It kind of reminds me of Korean moisturizers. You know, the really fluffy cloud ones that you just put on your skin and they absorb super quickly and they don't feel like you're rubbing plaster on your face. That's one thing I absolutely cannot stand, especially because I have bangs. When you have a really thick moisturizer and it takes forever to rub in and then you're sticky for a while and you have to wait to put on your makeup. Then of course the bang gets stuck across my face like this. I can't stand that. So I really like moisturizers that mattify my T-zone because that's where I'm most oily. And if you take a look at this moisturizer, you'll notice that the consistency is super fluffy, like it's been whipped. A lot of times you think you're good to go, but then you put on makeup and you notice that your skin is starting to pill. So I wanna show you guys that this will not happen with this light as air whip cream. So I'm about to use this kind of as a primer for my skin. I'm not a primer girl. I don't put on primer before I do my foundation because if you have a really great moisturizer and you know how to apply your makeup, you don't need a primer for it to keep your makeup on all day long. And what I love about this particular moisturizer is that when you put it on, you don't have to worry about sitting here and letting it absorb for an extended period of time. And if you're impatient like me, that means everything. And it feels so good. All right, my skin's dry. Done. So I usually just put my foundation on the 5 points of my face. And usually when I do my foundation, I have to wait a little bit for my moisturizer to dry. But with this, I can go in and start doing my foundation right out the gate, which I love. All right, so I just finished my foundation. Obviously, this is not my full face beat. My T-zone does not look oily, but I have on a moisturizer that actually makes me feel like my skin is being moisturized. Now, let's talk about the price point here. This is $30, the new Olay Whip, $30 bills. For some of you, this might be a beauty investment. For some of you, you might be saying, score, only $30? What? This is amazing. It really just depends on who you are, but this is my thing. Whether it's an investment for you or not, this is a product that has great ingredients. When you put it on your skin, it feels light. This kind of doubles as a primer. It doesn't pill. You don't have to wait to put on your makeup. I just feel like there's a lot of benefits to this. Great price point for what it does, and it works. Plus, this is really easy to get. You can order it from Amazon, get that free 2-day Prime shipping. What? Is there anything that you're curious about, but you want me to test it out first and give you my honest opinion? Hit me up. Shout out to my boo, Cardi B. Look what you made me do. See you next time. Bye.